Welcome back to my vlog. Hi, Day. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Guys, happy birthday po ito ni Ann. At dito po kami magse-celebrate. So, meron kaming maha, meron kaming spaghetti, kanin, at meron kaming tinulang manok, guys. At ito nga pala yung gift ko for Ann. So, tatlo lang naman kami ngayon dito kasi wala ang mga amo namin. So, we celebrating her birthday today.
Hi.
Hi! Yan, naka-Amsterdam yata yung t-shirt ko eh. And wala pa yung isang kasama namin kasi nagpapaganda pa siya. Nagpapaganda pa po yung aming isang kasama. Happy birthday again, Day. Hold your sisma.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Wow, ang ganda niya. Hi guys, see you again sa eating time, okay? Thank you for watching.